Alright, so today I'm going to be drawing Everett Railroad GP16 number 1828. And as always, I start with the rail line, which it's important to keep it nice and straight so the frame stays nice and straight. And kind of measure in about an inch from the edge, and the length that I draw these is right about an 8.5 inches. In the first video of this, we basically compose the engine, and right between 3/4 and an inch is the top of the frame. And come in about an 1 3/4, and the cab on this is right at about an inch, and the cab roof is right at an 1.5 inches. And don't draw the front of it all the way to the top, because it there's a little bit of a kind of way the number board and this comes in right between the back. It's right between 1/4 and 1/2 inch. And then the height of this is a little bit less than half an inch. It's a little lower than the cab. And it's probably just as well to put the steps in. They're a little less than 1/2 inch. As I've said on several of these videos, where you're kind of figuring the nose size. It's kind of just as well to the nose kind of lines up right about where the step. Make the nose a little bit less than an inch. This engine has a chopped nose on it. You can put the number board out at right about 1/4 inch. See, this is just kind of right here. And then you basically want to little bit less than 2 inches for the radiator section there. And then just kind of block out where these sections are going to go. And you can even draw the frame in here. Frames right at about 1/8 of an inch. And while we're at it, we can draw the roof of the cab. Okay, so we'll basically be ready for putting the engine room doors in the radiator section in the next video. All right.